stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off.
Mommy. Thank you.
Mommy!
Come down.
Why is no fair?
Okay, hey guys, good morning. This is the green detox. It's a smoothie, but also a very, very good detox. I have lots of people, moms, young girls, asking me how this happened. I'm going to be sharing this on my page really soon, outside the fact that it's actually a routine, you know, it's not like stuff that you just do and you let go of. This is healthy, really good. You take it just, if you do this routine for like a week, you'll call me, hug me, and tell me thank you. Okay guys, so for my page, put on that notification, lots of info coming away from me. Hey guys, good morning.
Henry!
You are not smiling. Pick your phone. It's fasting. Huh?
Yeah.
My love,
Yes.
that's a little bit guy.
Why? Exercise, man.
Huh?
It's exercise, man.
So now, what's the person chop? Okay, hey guys, good morning. This is the green detox. It's a smoothie, but also a very, very good detox. I have lots of people, moms, young girls, asking me how this happened. I'm going to be sharing this on my page really soon, outside the fact that it's actually a routine, you know, it's not like stuff that you just do and you let go of. This is healthy, really good. You take it just, if you do this routine for like a week, you'll call me, hug me, and tell me thank you. Okay guys.
Are saying move on, I know I don't believe